Hi, in this video, I'd like to show you how you can upload your AMS Air as well as Type 86 data in one file. So once you've logged into your AMS Air account, under your dashboard or ACE Air eManifest history, you have an option to upload. So click on this button here. And now you will be able to upload your Air AMS and Type 86 file. So select your file. And the first thing you will see is the mapping tool. So this is a great tool for you to use if you would like to use your own template. So you don't have to use our template, and it will allow you to map our columns to your columns. If they haven't mapped correctly, you can just select the correct column here. So once you've done with this step, go ahead and click review. And you will see your data in this table here. If you would like to change anything, you can go ahead and change it in this table. You don't have to go back to your file. We also have the data validations. You can check if there are any issues. And as you can see, I don't have any issues for this file. I can go ahead and click continue and click yes. And now the system will upload my file to my account. And shortly you will see that I've uploaded 5 house area bills here, and you can click on them, and if you would like to check the data, you can go ahead and quickly check the data. And then once you're ready to submit your AMS Air eManifest portion, you can go ahead and select your house area bills and click send to submit to CBP. So this is on your Air portal. So if you would like to check your Type 86 entries, you can go ahead and check on your ABI Type 86 dashboard. You click search. As you can see, system has generated 5 entry numbers for your 5 house bill fleeting numbers. And once you're ready to submit it to CBP, you can select all of them and click send to send it to CBP. That's all for this video. Hopefully you found it useful, and thanks so much for watching.